Yeah, came again. You saw it, but you didn't say a word. I texted you, hey, at 9:15. 2 blue ticks glowing, but you never replied. I watched your name light up my screen, but you left me hanging in between. Yeah, you were online, I saw it clear. Typing for others, but I wasn't near. Funny how silence can make it loud when you're alone in a crowded crowd. Tell me why love feels like a game. 1 minute warm, next minute flames. You used to rush when I called your name. Now I'm just a number you never claimed. Seen but no reply, you left me on red. I'm talking to ghosts in the words I said. You were my sunshine, now I see red. Love went quiet, but the pain stayed loud instead. Seen but no reply, I'm losing my mind. Scrolling through messages, I can't rewind. You used to be mine, now I'm out of time. Heart on display, but you crossed the line. I even checked if I did something wrong. Replayed conversations all night long, but you were laughing somewhere else while I was drowning in emotional spells. You say I'm busy like it's okay, but busy don't erase the love you say. If I mattered, you would find a way, not leave me in silence every day. Now I question everything we